Right. And you do want to see it.
I don't know. You gotta look it up. It's easy enough to switch the way the wiring is right now. Once the wiring is on.
Just gonna do that one. Whoa, looks like Christmas. Wow, no one will miss me on the highway.
You don't want this light wired up to your running lights?
No, because that's going to be something I turn on at camp. That'll be a solar one. Got the plate light working there. Running lights. They're all secure. Now time to clean up. Forgot about these. The Boler is under construction again. So we're just installing an outlet on the outside. And also this is for the solar panel to plug in. Inside, that's where the heater used to be there, so there's a new panel going in that I've painted blue, and that's going to be all the controls for the electrical and solar system here. So we're just taking everything out again so we can work here and do all the wiring. And yeah, here's our pile of cushions and everything. I'm excited to have this done. It's also a big job. So all that's been done so far is this is where the solar panel would plug into, and this is where the electrical would plug into to charge the battery or to run off of if we are at an electrical campground. So all of this stuff is coming through here under the sink. There's the original panel that was already there. And then this one we put on, and all of the control knobs for the electrical are going to go on here. And then you would open it up like that if you need to fix or do anything like that. So it wouldn't be something that we're constantly opening. I don't want to, this is just wet right here, but yeah, so a little button clip there if you ever need to access anything from behind. And I believe the battery and everything and all of this nice stuff is all going under here. And then we have to do the water tank next and all of that fun stuff. But so far, so these control knobs here will be mounted onto the front of this panel. So you switch on whether you're on solar or what you want to do. So my husband's taking care of that. I just needed to finish with the panel, which is now done and ready to go. Matching the backsplash. So that's it for now. I fixed my solar lights. There's the little charger for it there, and it goes all the way around. It looks really cool at night. But I'll do a video after all the solar's installed and I'll show you what's going on. And then the top here, we're gonna put an electric fan just to exhaust all the hot air out of here because it gets toasty. It's like a little greenhouse in here.
How do you seal this? Do you have